Hi guys, we're gonna do a tutorial how to make a paper squishy without using tape, all of that to make a real one. We're gonna make kind of the same thing but only with paper. Paper that can make all of it pop. This paper that can make all of it pop. Oh, I kind of ripped it, I guess. Okay. Hey guys. So we're gonna make a tutorial on how to make this. I'm using the microphone to teach you guys, but you never listen to my videos. Here is my paper, squishy. But we're not. It popped from the side. It popped from the side, guys. It popped from the side when I did this. You know that. It popped from the freaking side. From this freaking side. It popped from this freaking side. So first you want to get a pencil, an envelope, and paper. Okay? Well, I got these up. You guys can do whatever you want. Oh, my American flag's not good. What happened? Yo. Oh, okay. Okay, anyways, let's go. Whoa, I need to find this. So first, you need. Then paper. Where the freak am I gonna find paper? So first, hold on, I'm just gonna do it for you guys. I'm going to unfold this. What are the steps? See, I'm creative. So guys, you're gonna crumble a paper. Crumble it. Then uncrumble it. I don't even know where to start, but uncrumble it, I guess. Make sure it's not ripped so you can fold it. Then crumble it again. Then uncrumble it again. See, now you just made a wrinkly paper. Then now you're going to fold it. 1 time hamburger. 2 times. 3. 4. Made this. So then you're gonna do it like 4, I think, like 3 times more. 3 more of these. Then you're gonna get. Actually, you have to get a pencil first. Okay, so once you finish making these, you are going to find a pencil or a pen, whichever one you could use. But do not do because it can bleed, and I don't want it to bleed. Where is the goddamn pencil? If I can't find it, I'm gonna literally steal one of my pencils from my own mother. Oh, destroy it, I guess. I don't know if mom's here, because if she's here, I'm like so happy to see her. Ugh. Then after that, we give her a hard time. I know. That's in the pencil. Oh my god, I cannot find the pencil. Whatever, I'll just use a pen instead. I'm gonna use purple now. Oh, that's black. I'm colorblind. I'm not actually colorblind. I'm saying that is because the actual color was supposed to be, yeah, no. Then now you're gonna take out your pen. I have like, I don't know. So now you're gonna take out your pen and draw some designs on it, and then when you finish, tell me. They could do on the back if you want. I'm gonna put ILOVEYOU exclamation marks and then 3 hearts. You know, you can make this as a Valentine's gift for your mother, or like Happy Mother's Day. Yeah, you know. So then I'm gonna like heart. Then another heart. See? Easy. Ta-da! Then draw hearts and another heart. I'll wait for you guys. Or just pause the video, okay? Whichever one. Because I am not going to speed this. Or you can just put into 2 times speed, or do not watch this if you ever made one. Or know how to make one. So I made this like 4 times 2 days ago. So now I am going to put it inside. If it can't fit, then just do one. Obviously it can't fit, but you could like just stuff it in like the stuffing turkey. Ah. Then you're going to try to close them. Okay, anyways. Okay, now I am going to fold it. Okay. There you go. You just made your own paper. It's upside down. Okay. Then now you just made your own paper squishy using the envelope. Okay, bye guys. Mwah. Bye. Bye. God bless America. Our home, sweet home.